Hey friends, it's Mr. Pogi. Today we're going to show you how to install a shift knob on a Scion TC 2006 or first generation Scion TCs. Here we go. Hey friends, the first thing we have to do is remove the shift knob. So in the Scion TCs, the first generations, all you have to do is just rotate it counterclockwise to remove the shift knob. So that's what I'm going to do. So once that is done, get these rings. So I bought my shift knob aftermarket from eBay, and they give you some adapters. So we're gonna figure out what fits in here. This might be the one. So this fits. It's gonna make sure it fits in there correctly. Sometimes each aftermarket shift knob might not fit directly, but this will do. After that, once you find that is really in, we're just gonna put the shift knob and we're gonna rotate it clockwise. Because there are grooves here, we're just gonna have to tighten it up. As I said to you before, the adapters, they may not fit exactly, but it's good enough for it to fit properly. We're gonna put it in here now. We're just gonna screw it in here. Gotta make sure it's really tight. And there you go. I have myself a Mugen shift knob for my Scion TC. Alright friends, that's how you install shift knobs for the first generation Scion TCs. It's really simple, only take a few minutes depending on the kit. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe. You're Mr. Pogi.